Hi. In this video, I will show you how to manage conferences and chats in Zoom using the Keyboard Extension app on your smartphone. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension mobile app with the Keyboard Extension app for Windows. When you open Zoom on your Windows PC, the corresponding widget will automatically activate on your smartphone. Keyboard Extension allows you to switch between chats, create new chats, add people to groups, hide chats, and search for information across all chats and added contacts. During a conference, you can turn your camera and microphone on and off. Expand the conference to full screen. Raise and lower your hand to start speaking. Open and close the conference chat. Increase the text size in the chat. These same size settings also work in regular chats. Keyboard Extension also allows you to quickly start and stop recording the conference so that you can return to important information later. And of course, share your computer screen with other participants. Improve your interaction with Zoom using Keyboard Extension.